We are too formalized in sales. And it's because of all of this crap that our companies have bought us, right? Well, we subscribe to Teams and we've got the weekly XYZ meeting and you got to be on the Zoom for this or the Zoom for that. We have lost our way in just being able to pick up the phone and go, hey, was thinking about you guys this afternoon, just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. You can have informal conversations, right? But the worst thing we can do is not do anything. The next level is like, hey, I want to set up a call. When you start setting up a call, they get a lot of anxiety and they don't want to talk. But all I'm saying is, if throughout your day, guys, you made sure that you were reaching out, that you were raising your hand, that you're letting them know, hey, there's something I just wanted to make sure you were aware of. Or, hey, I really appreciate you guys being a client. I just wanted to give you a call and let you know that. You're going to be shocked when you make those calls how the door will open. Now, in Lena's case, there's times where it takes 3 years for that door to open. What I'm trying to tell you guys is there's nothing better for you to be doing with your time throughout the day than going, well, dude, I'm just going to make the calls with zero expectation. I'm just going to make the dials. But unfortunately, our companies have trained us to like, it's got to be a QB, it's got to have an acronym to it. Well, I got to schedule your QBR, right? It sounds like a freaking exam I don't want from the doctor. Right? When did we lose our way to just be able to call Steve or Monica or Lena and go, hey, you know, I was at that event out there in Houston. There was a roundtable discussion at lunch. And something just came up with tariffs and 3PLs. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. Informal conversations. Guys, just pick up the phone and make the dials. Am I telling you it's going to work every time? Absolutely not. Am I telling you if you sit there and rely on emails and rely on scheduled this and scheduled that and bumping this up to the top and expect anything different than just basically a flat line in your pipeline, this is the fastest way to turn everything around. Just talk to people.
When you finish watching this, I'm going to get you the closing mini masterclass totally free. It's normally $300. I'll pay for it. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.